Hi, my name is Leslie and welcome. So today I just want to talk to you about some possibilities for your future by explaining to you something about what's happened to me over the years. So just to let you know, I am collaborating with the #1 nutrition company in the world, Herbalife Nutrition. And I've been with the company now for over 33 years. And so, of course, as you can imagine, things have changed a lot over the years, what with the onset of technology, the advancements on the internet and so on. The company looks completely different to when I started. But just to take you back a little bit, when I started, this is no different for a lot of people today, I was looking for a way to make an extra £300 to £500 a month to supplement my income as a teacher. Now, I had been through all the education system, I'd got myself my degree, and I'd worked as a teacher for 13 years. And actually, to be honest, although it was quite nice to begin with, it really wasn't my calling in life. And I found myself thinking, there must be another way. And maybe you're not thinking that particularly, but maybe right now, because of the situation with work, you might be thinking there must be another way. And there really, really is. So what I did was I happened to find Herbalife Nutrition just while I was looking for a bit of extra income. And it all happened really, really quickly, because when I got onto the Herbalife Nutrition products, I found this amazing difference in me and my health and my well-being. What happened was I actually lost 21 pounds, which is 1.5 stone, or 10 kilos if you're metric. And I also lost 4 inches from my waist and 3 inches from my tummy and my hips. I don't know what that is in centimeters, but considerably, quite a large amount, 10 centimeters maybe. So, of course, I felt really excited about that result. I was also feeling so much more energetic and, I had a new lease of life. And so just by talking to people about my results and sharing with them the very little knowledge that I had at the time, people were joining me as customers, people were joining my team, and they were getting results and sharing the same thing, just duplicating what I was doing. And so in a very short space of time, I had got to the top position in the company. I was making maximum profits. I was qualifying for events and free vacations when the company got to that point when they were doing that sort of thing. So I was in the early stages of the company, and I was just so inspired by the training and the leadership and the fantastic products. So I just trusted it and carried on. And I'm so glad that I did. Because over the years, well, first of all, the first thing that happened was I gave up teaching, my teaching job. I still teach people, but I teach them differently. I teach them about how we do Herbalife Nutrition, and it is incredibly simple. You don't even have to be a teacher these days in order to train people, because the company does it all for you. So now what's happened to me, fast forward, is that I've been able to have my own personal business, have my own life. I've been able to work from home. I was able, within 5 years of being on the Herbalife Nutrition products, I was getting to the age where I thought I better check out whether I can actually get pregnant and have children. And sure enough, easy as can be, because I was on such good nutrition, even at the age of 41, I was able to conceive very easily. And I went on to have a wonderful, healthy pregnancy, beautiful baby girl, and she's grown up as a Herbalife baby. She's used Herbalife Nutrition from the time she was in utero. While I was breastfeeding her, I was still taking Herbalife Nutrition, and as she started to get onto solid food, she was getting Herbalife Nutrition as well. So I was able then to become just a full-time mum. I had my business running from home, and I had my customers and I had my members, and everything has always been great. I've been able to earn such an income that we haven't had to have another job. My partner and I just work the business from home, and it's paid all our bills, it's bought our cars, I currently own 3 properties in the London area, and I've been able to take full-time responsibility for looking after my daughter, never having to get a childminder or anything like that. She's just been the 3rd member of our family, and we go everywhere together and do everything together. So it's been such a blessing. You can't put a price on that, to be fully present with your child. And you know, as you grow up, I think I sort of semi-retired. I mean, Herbalife Nutrition's always been a business there for me to do, and choose the hours that I would work. And really, you know, I've been able to put my daughter through private school, paying for all her university fees, so she hasn't come into the world with student loans. And then she decided, out of just because she looked out at the world and saw that actually there isn't a job that's better than what mum and dad do with Herbalife Nutrition. So I never forced her, but she could see that it made a lot of sense. So she got a little bit more serious with this business opportunity, and she started building her team. And in fact, now we work together, building this new generation of people. She's now 28, and the people that we are introducing into our team range between 20 and 40, I would say. And so, you know, it's not closed down to one particular age group. But it's wonderful that what I want to do is to share with you how this business suits everybody, anybody, provided you're willing to work and want to do a little bit of being coached. We show you all the methods that you can use, and you can bring your own interests and style to the mix, and we can certainly guide you through that. So that it's very exciting, because especially now we use Facebook. We have a wonderful community where we support our customers. We have hundreds of people in this community, and we give them nutrition plans, we give them exercises, we give them dance, we give them inspiration, we give them meditation, we give them motivation. And everything is completely automated now. So once you get into the system, once you're part of our team, we show you how you can use your own free e-commerce website to sell the products. You can be part of the community where you're learning how to coach people through the use of the products. And you have this wonderful support community going on internationally, because now we're in 95 countries around the world, and it's just growing bigger and bigger every day. So this is a sort of a quick encapsulation of what has happened with us over 33 years. And I hope it gives you a little bit of a picture as to the sort of things that maybe could be something for you. Because if you're at the point in your life when you think, like I thought, there must be something else that I can do, then take a look, give me a call, or if you're already in touch with a Herbalife nutrition coach, give them a call, because this could be life-changing for you as it has been for me. Just imagine, work from home, be a full-time parent, have enough money to travel the world when we can again, not have to worry about bills and mortgages or anything like that. Just be free, build an abundant lifestyle. It doesn't happen overnight. I'm not saying that it was just like snap and it happened, but I put in a lot of work in my first 3 to 5 years, and that was without the internet. Now it goes so much faster. Within 3 to 5 months, people are reaching the levels that I took 5 years to get to. And freedom lifestyle, seriously, laptop lifestyle, on your mobile phone, on your laptop, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Telegram. We've got it all, and we support everybody. And I can honestly say that and when you join our team, you will know, you'll meet them. There are people who have said to us, you know, this Herbalife product is great, but I would never have been able to achieve what I achieved without the amazing support from the community. And that speaks volumes, because having people around you who are supportive and like-minded may be the major difference between success and failure. And so I encourage you, check it out. There's no obligation. Give me a call. This might just change your life too.